Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix could not create account. Your account cannot be created at this time. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, go back home screen. Now go to settings. So guys, first of all, check your internet connection properly working. Scroll down, type general. Now tap on software update. Check update software. Scroll down. Now tap on VPN and device management. Now disconnect VPN and if connected. Now go back and scroll down. Now tap on mail. Now tap on account. Tap on add account. Tap on include. Now tap on create a new Apple ID. So guys, create new Apple ID. So guys, next method, go back home screen. Now open any browser. Now tap on search bar and search Apple ID apple.com. So guys, create your Apple ID. Tap it or create Apple ID and tap username, email, date of birth and select country and tap on continue. So guys, after doing all these steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comments and share.